Hagajingnya kendo yo Menteri Korbarri ka Sarkar Pedang ledan lang kinong yalam baki dikot jangki District Council ka Jila Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura bat Mizoram. Habaikiran bikinong patai kubor Chief Executive Member ka KHADC uba peniat Sing Siem. Hadin gajing mani kendo yo Amit Shah ulang baka kenhuan jak shpotli ki Autonomous District Council ka Tanj telam nini. Le kendo bachong jingalang kumashteng kanta Bad Menteri Korbarri ke Sarkar Pedang bad pensengau gijing dan kam jeki hakabedai bad gijing temu bad penkelai ke 6th schedule. Ulang baginang elam jagi District Council kila pensengau lagi jong gijing jongki bad kaliang jong Menteri Korbarri ke Sarkar Pedang ula pensengau hakakan huan bahapok ke arpsan trek unailar. On pendep ke kam ban bishar benia bad kan sedan ke komiti ke ban kliat do Menteri kena ke Sarkar Pedang uba kemi ke tenat Korbarri. Uba peniat Sing Siem ulang baka kenhuan jagi District Council kedap dak jing kemen bad ka ai kublai yau Amit Shah. Uba sngap bad chimkiai kene ke kam hakabede baka jing temu ban penkla thamai ke 6th schedule ban penklan syo ik Autonomous District Council hakatan telam mingi kam tam ek Jila Meghalaya kaban nong jing mentoy baka jing kerku kabak raw ya kipat ba.
Along with Minister Amit Shah ji and his Minister of State Nityanand Rai ji was very well addressed. We are very happy that the Home Minister of India has assured us that in the next 1 month they will be addressing all our issues, which means the 25th of August. And he has assured us if the agreement was signed when another government was in place, any commitment given by the Government of India on any accord, any agreement will be honoured, because that is not agreement by BJP or Congress, is by the Government of India. We are also very happy that a positive attitude was taken by the Home Minister, and we are hopeful because the councils may be different. I've heard you ask question, what does 125th Amendment mean? It may mean something for the Khasi, Garo Hills, Jainte Hills. It may mean something else for BTR. It may mean something for Karbi Anglong. It may mean something completely different for Tripura. But all our problems will be individually heard by a committee and will be addressed so that there is a solution which is amicable. The most important thing is we don't want to go into confrontation. We want to give rights to our people, our community, and if this is how we progress, we will welcome it in a positive manner. Thank you.
Baru sepuluh ki Autonomous District Council nilai kendu mentak sini dari buat nampak Delhi baru kumju niladon ya ka meeting ka Bakerpang ka Bashimpor jan hadu Shtengkata buat Union Home Minister Amit Shah ban ya pensno penpau ke gejing dan kam gejungi hakabide bakani ka schedule amendment te habide bakadi ka schedule amendment gila pensno but hoi ni dan laki jong ki jing dan ki jing dawa ke jongi henry ya baro ikini ki jing dawa ke jongi nakaliang jong Union Home Minister la ai kata ka jubab dan ni la pensno hani ba hapo ka shibnai kemud hapo arsan turis ni penai ben 1 August but on pendep yang ni kam ban bishar benya but kan sadan ka komiti ka ba Union Home Minister of State untuk kam but nakaliang jungi ni penpau ke jingkemen but ai kublai kerpang ya Home Minister Amit Shah la sengap la shimkhai ni kam habede kanika schedule amendment kermen scam ba kini baru kijing penslo ke jungi habede benang penklan shushu yaki EDC hapot North East khamtam ngiwan naka Jila Meghalaya ike bangi ni semua bangi dan kam ban ya dan lang ban penlong ya je beri jungi bateli ki nong nong Meghalaya bateli link ba ni schedule amendment kan long ka jing mentoi ban jing ku